In this video, we are going to see how we can create this cool looking map animation using Google Studio Earth and After Effects, which looks amazing. So let's get started. So first step is you have to go to the Google Earth Studio. So you go to the blank project, then you name your file, animation, I'll name it. Okay, whatever your frame rate is, you can select here and go to start. So what we are going to do is we are going to search for the location which we want. In my case, it is my Goa. Here this will be my initial position, so I am going to click on the keyframes. So then you go for further in timeline, then you go select the altitude where you want to zoom in. So in my case, this is in Goa, then I'm going to zoom in like this. So we'll just preview this. So as you can see, the cut is really hard. So what we are going to do to solve this is select all the keyframes, then we are going to right click on this, then we will say auto ease. So if we preview now, it has improved a lot. If you want to make it more smoother, what we can do is we can right click here, say show speed value graph, then we can select on the altitude, then we can play with the graph however you want. I'm going to make it like this, then I'm gonna go to show keyframe editor, then we are going to preview it. So we are going to stick with this. So next is we are going to right click on this and say set track point and click on this three dots, then we will say set as local origin, then we'll go to render, then we'll name our animation whatever animation map in my case, and then we are going to go to check the settings, After Effects.jsx, texture quality should be high, and coordinator space I'll keep it global. So now we are going to wait for the animation to get rendered. By that time we can go here and click on a file and then export, then 3D tracking data, and we are going to select this as local, then click on export, then you can download the video. Next we are going to go to After Effects and create project, then we are going to go to file, then we are going to go to scripts, then go to run script file, then we are going to select our animation map which we have exported. Okay, then it is going to give this alert message, then you have to say yes, then you have to select your map animation which you rendered, then you say import. So then you are going to get something like this. The next thing is I am going to go to our map and I'm going to do trim path of the whole map area of Goa. So we are going to select pen tool. So our trim path has been created. So you go to track point, select everything, copy. So you turn the 3D layer on, then you paste the thing, then you increase the scale, increase the scale, make it way bigger, and make sure you fit this outline of the map. So after this we have successfully tracked the trim path onto our map. Then we are going to make the duplicate of this layer, okay, and then we are going to turn off this stroke, and then we are going to turn on the fill path. So we are going to take this underneath this, and maybe we can change the color of this to something like maybe blue, opacity option, the mode option, then you select the whatever. In my case I'll select the color thing. We change this to white, go to text part and then say right Goa. You can select your Hello Kids. Yeah, this one looks good. Then you select your text, then what you have to do is turn on the 3D layer on, and then you go to track point. We will do the same thing which we did for shape layer, copy the things except the opposite thing, and then we can paste it here. After this thing is done, we can go to the scale thing, we can increase the scale. Yeah, we can add the deblow to make it look more cooler to both the text and the trim path. First we will add to the trim path, then we can add to the Goa text as well. Make sure you tweak the settings. I'll go with the 150 radius, and then we can decrease the intensity. So far so good. Then we are going to animate the trim path. So I'll make sure the animation starts from here and the trim path can start from somewhere here. So we are going to go to shape, then we are going to go to add trim paths, then we are going to go to, and we'll keep the keyframe here, and we are going to click this 0, and then we are going to go to the, so this is a bit slow, we can start from here only. I think this is good. Yeah, this looks fine. And also we are going to do something with the animate the shape layer, meaning the fill thing. So we can just change the opacity of this, press on U, press your U, can change the opacity to something from 0 to 100. Yeah, this looks fine. You can go to quick check the, so it is going to shut from like this. And then okay, we have to animate our text as well. We are going to go here. I have some plugin here which I'm going to go and use. You can use some other plugin, or you can select from your animation presets here. Okay, so it is starting from there, and then Goa. Okay, so far so good. Then what else we can do to make this more cooler? I'm going to pre-comp all of this, move all attributes. Then we'll go to the roto brush, select this, and then we will select this part, full map. We are going to freeze the thing. After the rotoing is done, you can go here. So what we are going to do is we are going to keep this, we are going to duplicate the pre-comp layer. Bottom layer we are going to remove the roto brush, and then on the top layer we are going to keep the roto brush thing. So then we are going to cut this part where we want the effect of water to start. So we'll start from here, the water, cut this, and then we are going to change the opacity to 100 to 0, this. Okay, yeah, so maybe from here only we will start. So we are going to take our water thing here and drag it here and take it between the layer, so it is going to look something like this. So at the start we are going to keep it, okay, 0 opacity. Then as we reach at this part, we are going to increase the opacity of the water, maybe here, so something like this. Okay, another thing what we can do is we can maybe add trees somewhere here, which we are going to do right now, which are downloaded. And then okay, first we'll start with the clouds, change the position, and by the time it reaches here we can just show them clouds. We are going to take the second cloud which we have here and the location here. As we move forward in timeline, I'm going to change the location of this cloud. And I think we need another cloud here. Right. This, and we're going to go here, and then we can change it here. So I'm going to create an adjustment layer and transform and increase the scale a bit. So these are the final results. If this video has helped you, like the video and subscribe. See you in the next one.